Hello, I'm Kate. I'm the founder of Trekki, and I'm going to show you how to tie your new pocket wrap. The first thing you want to do is just make sure that the pocket is nice and centered right in the middle of your waist, and just roll the ends just about halfway, and that's going to help you to wrap it all the way around and just exchange the two panels in your hands. Okay, give it a shake. The second step, bring the two panels up and over your shoulders. And you can see that by doing that, I've made an X on my back. Okay, next we're going to take these two front pieces, bring them together, and we're going to pull them right through the center panel. There we go. Next we're going to cross them over and make an X shape at the bottom. Next, wrap around to your back. Now, if you run out of fabric, you can tie the ends together, or if you have extra fabric, make another X on your back and then bring one last time to the front. You can tie in the side or you can tie in the center, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, we're going to start by balancing baby on our shoulder, and we're going to take his leg and we're going to put it through the shoulder panel, which is closest to our body, and then just stretch the fabric out and over his bottom, and that's going to start to form his seat. Take his second leg, put the second leg through the next shoulder panel, and then stretch that fabric over his bottom as well. Okay, for the next step, what we're going to need to do is just tuck baby's feet through the center panel of the wrap where the pocket is. So let's just do that one by one. There we go. And now the same on the other side. And then this is the final piece, this center piece. This acts a bit like his seat belt. So just pull it up, and we can tuck his little arms in here as well, just to make him nice and snug. And there we go, all finished. Just remember, if this is your first time using a sling carrier, it is quite normal for baby to fuss as you're putting him in, especially for the first time. But don't worry, as soon as he's in, he'll be very happy.